Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surferers. Today we have exciting news for AI enthusiasts. OpenAI has officially introduced a brand new voice technology called GPT-Live, and it could completely change the way we talk to AI. So what's new? Let's find out. OpenAI says GPT-Live is designed to make conversations feel much more natural than before. Unlike older voice assistants that wait for you to finish speaking, GPT Live can listen and talk at the same time, just like a real human conversation. This technology is known as full duplex voice interaction. It means you can interrupt the AI while it's speaking, pause naturally without getting cut off, and continue the conversations smoothly. Another impressive feature is live translation. GPT Live can continuously translate conversation between different languages in real time, making it useful for travel, business meetings, and international communications. OpenAI has released two versions: GPT Live 1 for the best voice experience, GPT Live 1 Mini, the light version available for more users. The company has started rolling out those models globally, bringing the new ChatGPT voice experience to users across supported platforms. So, what do you think? Is GPT Live the future of AI conversations? Let me know your thought in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.